My name is Tirumul Rohit. Yes, study.
A short monsoon diary. Comprehension questions. Which day of monsoon mist was it?
First day.
What falls silent as the mist comes up climbing up the hill?
Birds.
Which makes the mist so melancholy?
Birds.
What also conceal the hills?
Birds.
What blankets them in silence too?
Birds.
When were the trees ringing with bird song?
The 1 hour before.
What was deathly still as though it was midnight?
The first day. The forest.
Through the mist, who is calling his sister?
Biju.
Who can hear him running about on the hillside?
The east star.
Can she see him?
The seam. No, he seem. They cannot seem.
What stuff we have been having all the year? Some genuine.
Monsoon. Early monsoon. Rain. Calm. And humidity.
Which seems to know it too.
The plants.
Which rears its head from the ferns first.
Biju. The post cobra lily.
Who walks up to the bank and post office?
Biju.
Who offers a certain privacy?
The mist.
Who asked Biju to describe the hill station and valley in a sentence?
A school boy.
What did Biju reply to the schoolboy's question?
Biju replied, as it was the paradise that the might
have been. What did the rains have heralded about?
The arrival of some seasonal.
What are the seasonal visitors? What are the seasonal visitors?
The leopard and several teachers.
What happened yesterday below the school?
The leopard and lifted a dog.
Who tried to attack the Biju's cow?
Leopard.
Did the leopard attack the cow?
No.
What are the other new arrivals? Scarlet.
Means.
Did the birds conceal themselves from the leafy trees?
No.
How do they come as single or pair?
The pair.
Who chased the minivets away?
Pair of dangos.
Who moved rapidly up the trunk of the oak tree, snapping up insects all the way?
The tree.
Creeper.
Deep car.
Are the rains here?
Yes.
Is the food available there?
Yes.
Was there a death of food for insectivorous birds?
Yes.